Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our PDPR session with Teacher Hazi. Inshallah, for today's topic, we are going to learn about what do animals eat. A cat eats dry food or meat. A dog eats dry food or meat. A bird eats seeds, nuts, insects, and worms. A chicken eats grains, vegetables, fruits, and worms. A hamster eats grains, vegetables, and fruits. A dog eats grains, vegetables, fruits, worms, and bugs. A cow eats grains, vegetables, and fruits. A sheep eats grass, leaves, and grains. A lion eats meat. A monkey eats fruits, nuts, seeds, flowers, and insects. A horse eats grass, hay, fruits, or vegetables. A bee eats pollen and nectar. That's it for today. I hope you will enjoy this video, and please don't forget to do the activity on the link given. Till then, happy learning. See you next time. Assalamualaikum. Bye.